get Mustang GT plus 5 grand for all the extra stuff. Which is why I'm so nervous about getting like T-boned or rear-ended.
Look at her. Hi.
Roll that in your window.
Say what?
I don't know.
Start recording them.
Just start recording them and check.
Dude, I gotta start driving you guys around more if that's the kind of content.
Yeah, straight up. That's too fucking hilarious.
So we're pulling up to the shop, we'll film all 3 cars together. Let's see if I can back it. So let's do a little very, very cold start. Front and back, and then...
That is so illegal.
Yeah, it's pretty badass. That was good.
So if you want to show them the front, this is my favorite part of this drive over the lake. I said it before, I'll say it again. Every time I get in the car, and most people, including yourself, when you get in the car, you look at that front hood, and it's hilarious for a Mustang. Like, no, it's not Rolls-Royce nice, but you know, it is what. I also thought it was funny because in one of my recent videos that did well, I was talking about how the interior is modern in comparison to the outside, and then somebody pointed out how it's a 10-year-old Mustang, so obviously it's not modern. I mean, it's all relative. Like, it's a 10-year-old Mustang, but when you see the outside of it, anything on the inside is just a benefit. So, you know, I've obviously had, you know, modern interiors. You know, my 2023 C8 that I bought in 2022 had, you know, the big screen, jet fighter screen, and I thought it sucked. I actually would prefer this over the Corvette's infotainment screen. The only thing I like about the C8 screen is the ability to see my like Apple CarPlay, like my maps while I'm driving. Otherwise, in this car, I just put my phone up and drive, and it's totally fine. And this thing actually has a better sound system than the Corvette C8, which is kind of crazy. Not as good as the Hellcats, but still pretty dang good.
Do you have the upgraded one?
In
the C8?
I mean, I had every box checked pretty much.
Really?
Yeah. And I just thought the sound wasn't that good.
My buddy Enzo has a Corvette, and I thought it sounded damn good.
Well, maybe there's something wrong with my vet.